In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find linked issues in Jira using advanced JQL search and save the results as a reusable filter. If you've ever tried to trace blocked user stories, follow dependencies across epics, or review architecture-related issue links inside Jira, you already know how time-consuming it can be to open tickets one by one. The good news is that Jira gives you a much faster way to surface connected work using JQL, its advanced search language, along with built-in issue link support. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira Cloud site or the Atlassian sign-in page, then log in securely to your account. Once you're on the main Jira dashboard, look to the top navigation menu and click Filters. From the drop-down menu, choose Advanced Issue Search. This will take you to the main search workspace where you can build more precise queries. When the issue list loads, Jira may open in its basic search view by default. That view is useful for simple filters, but it hides the text-based controls we need for linked issue searches. To switch over, go to the right side of the search area and click Switch to JQL, or use the code icon if that's what appears in your interface. You should now see a single text input box where you can type custom JQL directly. Click inside that query field and enter the following search: project eachal, your project key, and issue. Link type is not empty. This query tells Jira to return only issues in your selected project that have at least one issue link. In other words, it removes isolated tickets and shows you only the ones that are connected to something else. And if you want a more targeted result, you can narrow the search to a specific type of relationship. Replace the query with project equals your project key and issue in has link type blocks. This version focuses only on issues that use the blocks relationship, which is especially helpful when you want to review blockers affecting delivery. Once you're happy with the results, save the search so you can reuse it later in boards, dashboards, or reporting views. Above the JQL area, click Save Filter. In the filter name field, enter a short, clear name that helps you recognize what the filter is for, then click Save. Before you finish, take a moment to review the results table below your query. Check the linked issues column and confirm that the returned issues match the project, statuses, and relationships you expected. This final review helps make sure your filter is accurately capturing the dependency data you want to track. That's it. You now have a clean, repeatable way to locate linked issues in Jira, focus on specific dependency types, and save your search for ongoing team use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.